Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that market is showing more or less a good amount of volatility. If you look at the other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, you will see a total silence and they are behaving like a normal typical Monday market. But if you look at the chart of gold here, then right after the market opening we saw some drop. Gold made a low for almost 2292 2291 and gold bounce. So in a previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, we discussed about the trading opportunities and we also discussed about the uncertainties in the market. So we decided to stick to our 40 pips strategy that we have been following for a long time, for almost 3-4 years. So we are back to a 40 pips strategy because of the critical nature of the market. We do not have a clarity, we do not have a clear direction. So our first level was around 2291, and yes, we saw that from almost for 2291 market bounce, and it was a good bounce. Okay, and if you were awake in the morning, probably you made some money. Okay, and now we can see that market also broke the level that we discussed on Saturday. It is 2310. So my dear friend, if you have listened to me on Saturday, then hopefully you got your 40 pips there as well. Okay, so this is the ongoing market right now. Market broke the level, market broke the resistance because market had already tested the level many times, so it was quite natural that at one point market would break it. And right now we can see market is going up. So what is the present status of the market then? You can see that the present resistance, okay, or not the present, sorry, the previous resistance is working as the support right now. So if you have any buy, you can be on the trade. If you are looking for fresh trading opportunities, then wait for the new levels. It's a level to level trading market. Okay, do not take a position, sit on the trade for a couple of days to couple of weeks because we do not have any clarity about the next direction. Okay, so our next trading opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2320 2324. We have discussed earlier also because we have strong price rejection around 2320 and 2324 because of FIBO here. Okay, we use FIBO and we can see our FIBO has been doing a fine job. Okay, so we are expecting our FIBO to work again. So you can see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level as well as the previous resistance will previous support will be working as resistance. So 2324 2320 is a good level. So during the day, if market goes up, observe the market around this area. If market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. How much you can expect? Initially you can set your target around 40 pips. If you see that after 40 pips also market is showing big red candles, then you can go ahead. And by the US session, okay, if volume comes and if we see market going up, okay, then you can look for the second selling opportunity around 2337. We have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a quick pullback of around 40 to 50 pips and you can expect to make money. And 2337 is the level from where market fell previously. Okay, as of now, let's not talk about 2350 2355 level, that is far away. So let's focus on the immediate trading opportunities. So my dear friends, again I'm repeating, this is not a positional trader or swing traders market because we do not have a clarity, and as we are retail traders, okay, we cannot predict the market, but yes, we can learn how to react according to the situation of the market. Okay, so already we have seen that two of our levels more or less did a fine job. Okay, and we are expecting, okay, the next selling opportunity to be around 2320 2324. If market shows price rejection from above, you can at least expect a sell position for 40 pips. Okay, and the second is around 2337. If you're planning to take a buy above 2324, okay, that is your personal decision. I will not recommend a buy initially because to break any level, volume is important, and at this moment we do not have that volume that can break a level. Okay, by the US session, if you see the market is going up with big green candles, then we can look for a buy above 2324, 2325 level. But at this moment, as we do not have much volume, I will not recommend it. Okay, but yes, we can look for a quick sell. Remember the word quick sell. Okay, one level, one opportunity only. Suppose if market reverses from 2337 once, do not expect it to reverse for the second time. Okay, why I'm saying this? Okay, I have observed this for a long time. Okay, anyways, where do we have the support then? Remember 2280, 2277. Yes, the level is still very much valid, and at this moment, if market drops also, we can expect the market to get some support around this area. Okay, so if market comes down, let's wait and watch. In this present condition, I don't think so market will be going for a complete downside. I think market should get some support around this area. Okay, so as a support, 2280, 2277 is still a very much valid. And as we all know, okay, as we all know, as the lovers of gold, that 2300 has been acting as a magnet. Sometimes it was working as support, sometimes it was working as resistance. It was very difficult for us to understand, and I don't know what role now 2300 will play. Okay, shall we draw some FIBO here? Okay, let's draw some FIBO and see. Okay, do we have anything? No. Okay, this is not more. So you can see here we have a small FIBO around. Okay, not small FIBO. Okay, we have FIBO 50% retracement around 2303. Where? 2303 to 2300. So you can see I have switched to 15 minutes time frame. Always keep in mind, higher time frame, high reliability, lower time frame, low reliability. Okay, so now we are on the 15 minutes time frame. So during the day, if market comes to 2300, 2303, observe the market behavior. If the volume of the market remains like this, if you're a new trader, if you do not understand the concept of volume much, just look at the size of the candle. If you see the size of the candles are like this on 50 minutes time frame, you can expect that okay, market will be taking support around 2303, 2300. If market shows price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. You can expect 20 to 25 pips. Okay, why not 40 pips? Or why 25 pips? Because we have switched to a lower time frame. See, time frame is lower, so you cannot expect much from the market. I'm not saying that it doesn't have the capacity to deliver, but in this present situation, okay, we should also look for safety as well. Okay. See, when market was trending, I clearly told you guys that this is not a day traders market. This is a market, okay, where you should take a position and sit on it and try to make profit as much as possible. But at this moment, we can see the market condition has changed, so we as a flexible trader, we also need to learn how to trade according to the market situation. So right now we should mostly focus on the safety side. Okay, that's all my dear friends, and thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for the Dubai meetup. And as we have a limited capacity, so the registration has been closed. Okay, and if you have missed the registration, okay, then no need to worry. Okay, if the response is good, we will be arranging a meetup soon again. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for all the love and support. Sometimes, okay, I feel that it's like a dream. Okay, because when I started trading, okay, my sole goal was to stay at home and make money. Okay, I never imagined that at one point, okay, I will be so blessed that I will receive all the love and support from all the corners of the world. Okay, I'm really thankful uh, for this life. Thank you so much. Thank you.